Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dukkhamityeva yat karma kaya klesa भयात्यजेत सकृत्वा राजसं त्यागम् नैव त्याग फलं लभेत। Om. On account of fear of bodily pain, on account of fear of bodily strain, on account of fear of bodily discomfort, if you are feeling like not performing sacrifices, Vedic yajnas, tapas and charities, that means you are under the influence of Rajasic quality, which will never elevate you to any kind of heights in spiritual path. Get rid of Rajasic quality. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not feel any kind of fear of my bodily discomfort and renounce Vedic yajnas, charities and tapas. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey all your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, After that Mohini Stree, the Paramatma who has taken that beautiful woman form, when she was walking towards Asuras, all the Asuras were talking to her saying that, "Oh, my dear beautiful woman, we are quarreling each other, fighting each other for this Amrutam. Though we are born in one dynasty, though we are siblings, we are fighting for this. And also we are developing animosity between us because of this. So now we request you to solve this problem. We request you to take this Amrutam and share to all of us equally." Like that, when Asuras said, then that beautiful woman who is Mohini, while giving a smile to Asuras, she is saying like this, "Oh, my dear Asuras, I am not a proper lady, and how are you even believing in me? Visvasam pandito jatu kaminishu nayatihi." Those who are learned, they should not be believing in us, because today we belong to one, tomorrow we belong to others. That is why you should not be believing in me. Like that, when Mohini said, all the Asuras laughed at her loudly and just gave that Amruta Bhandam, the pot of nectar, to that Mohini. Then what happens? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 8th sloka. Dukkhamityeva yat karma kaya klesa bhayat yajet. Sakrutva rajasam tyagam naiva tyaga phalam labhet. Dukkhamityeva yat karma kaya klesa bhayat yajet. Sakrutva rajasam tyagam naiva tyaga phalam labhet. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.